Are you contemplating divorce, or have you just been blindsided that your partner wants a divorce? Here's a rundown of the process and the pieces of divorce in North Carolina. The first thing to know is that in North Carolina, you have to live separate and apart for 1 year before you can file for divorce and actually get divorced. So what happens in that 1 year period? Let's talk about money, because that's a big thing that leads to divorce and is a problem after the divorce is initiated. So post-separation support is the payment that you may be entitled to receive, or you may be obligated to pay to your spouse, former spouse, during the 1 year separation in North Carolina. You may have heard of alimony, so think about this as pre-alimony. Before the divorce is all the way through, you might be entitled to get post-separation support. Post-separation support is calculated by looking at the actual needs of a dependent spouse. So that's step number one. You have to have a dependent spouse that actually was reliant on the step number two, supporting spouse. Both of those things have to exist. And then the supporting spouse actually has to have an ability to pay. If all those three things are there, then you either are entitled to post-separation support or you're obligated to pay it. And how we get that number, it's a work of art. It's what the judge says or what you negotiate with the other side. There's no calculator, there's no easy way to know exactly how much money you'd be entitled to.